Do you know many English words, but when you talk, nothing comes out? Don't worry, this happens to many English learners, especially who are the beginners. Here are 5 easy ways to speak English better. Let's start. Tip number 1, shadowing. Listen to a native speaker or teacher and repeat right after them. Copy their body language, copy their style, how they pronounce every single word, and copy their way how they are speaking in English. Do this with a short video 2 and 3 times. It helps your mouth and ears learn together. Tip number 2, think in English. Don't translate in your head. It makes you slow. Instead, look around you and try to describe your surrounding. Try to make small sentences like, around me now I can see so many trees, and in the sky you can see the cloud, and a little far away there is a farmer who is working in his own field. Tip number 3, speak every day. Even you are alone, it's okay. Talk about your day for 2 minutes, record your voice, listen back. For example, today I woke up at 4:30 a.m. and then I went to our local mosque for performing my Fajr prayer, and then I made my bed, I cleaned my room. So this is the way. Small daily practice is better than one long practice. Tip number 4, learn phrases, not only words. Don't just learn decision, learn make decision. I haven't decided yet. Phrases help you speak in full sentences first. Tip number 5, find a speaking partner. Talk to your friend, your family members. Use any English language app. I will suggest you for finding real English speaking partner, that is EP Student, where you can find real English speaking partner with whom you can make conversation for 7 minutes. Real conversation builds real confidence. Let's remember the 5 tips. 1, shadowing. 2, think in English. 3, speak every day. 4, learn phrases. 5, find a partner. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoy, please don't forget to share with your friends and family members. See you in the next video.